Okay, guys, so I'm going to do a demonstration of my Mastodon client on the BT Braille so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Now, some of these features haven't made it into the code store yet because I haven't published them because I'm trying to fix a bug before I do that, but some of them are there. Um, and I don't want to like flood the Boise staff with every little edit that I make, but this is going to be my demonstration. So I'm currently in the welcome screen. So I have the BT Mastodon pinned to my user menu. So I have a main.py file in my project that you need to run to start it, and there's an option in BT code to pin it to your user menu, and that's what I did. So I'm going to open up the options menu with Ocode.
Options menu.
U for user menu.
User menu.
And do a .4 code.
Mastodon.
Okay, and then it's a BT Mastodon. I'm going to hit enter.
Welcome to Mastodon. Login.
Now it says login, but I'm already logged in. So I can
Home timeline.
view my home timeline,
Notifications.
view my notifications,
Post status.
post status. I guess I should change that to post to, but it says post status right now.
Quit.
Or I can quit the program. But I'm going to hit H for home timeline and you'll hear what it does. Now, in the current one that's on BT code, it asks you how many tweets it wants to load at one time, or tweets it wants to load at one time. I took that out because I think 20 is a good default. So if I hit H, it will bring up the timeline.
Home timeline. 1. Chris Westbrook at Chris Westbrook. My Mastodon client is looking pretty good. If I can get one bug fixed, I'll be pretty happy with it. Published 37 minutes ago.
So you heard it read the status and when it was published. If it's boosted, it reads who boosted it, that kind of thing. So let's see what you can do from a toot. You can, if I hit enter on this toot here,
Two actions. Open link.
okay, if there's a link in the toot, which there isn't in this one, but if there was, I could open it, and it opens it in desktop mode. Now this is where the bug is. Right now, if I open a link in desktop mode, for some reason, desktop mode loads it fine, but then the blazing mode still starts speaking, so you get like double speech until the blazing mode finishes speaking, and I'm not sure why it's doing that. So I'm asking for help with that, but the feature is there, open link. If I do a .4 code,
Reply.
I can reply to this toot.
News.
I can boost the toot.
View conversation.
I can view conversation. I don't think there are any other toots that have replied to this, but I'm going to hit enter on that.
Conversation. 1. Chris Westbrook at Chris Westbrook. My Mastodon back.
Okay, and then I can hit back and I can go back to my
Home timeline.
home timeline.
1. 2.
Let's see.
Scientific 3. Mac rumors 4. Chris Westbrook at David Goldfield. How would they get the password randomly? 5. Audrey Farnham at Dragonscape. Space on the plane about to take off. Great convention in Austin is
Okay, this one probably had the conversation. I want to show you the conversation.
I missed
So
my
if I go to
see all that two sections.
conversation,
Conversation. 5. Audrey back.
it doesn't have any of it. Basically, I'll go to one that had the conversation, but basically, it shows you the whole thread then.
4. Chris Westbrook at David Goldfield. How would they get the password?
Okay, so
Actions. Conversation. 1. David Goldfield at AlanBerthaPlace.com. I recently read an article from Time Magazine chronicling.
okay, so that's where the thread started, and then if I arrow down,
Chris Westbrook at David Goldfield. How would they get the back?
I reply to that too, so it shows you the whole conversation. And if there were tweets after that, it would show you them as well. So that's pretty cool. And you can hit enter on it too in the conversation view, and it'll bring up that same menu, boosting it, replying to it, that kind of thing. So, oh, and I forgot, if I go back to my home timeline, it loads 20 at a time. So I'm going to go to the end of the menu, takes you back to the main menu. And if I up arrow, load next 20, and if I hit enter,
Salad.
yeah, then it just loads the next 20 tweets, and I can read them all. Load next 20, hit enter, and it'll load the next 20 tweets. Or I keep saying tweets, it's tweets. um, but yeah, I can do if I don't want to go back with B, I can do V code to get back. I can do, I believe I can do V code to quit as well. Yep, and it just went back to my user menu. So that's a quick demonstration of Mastodon on the BT Speak and BT Braille. I have some other things, right now you can't follow users. So this is basically just for reading and writing of toots at this point, but I will probably add at some point the ability to follow a user, uh, possibly the ability to view their profile, that kind of thing. So there you go. Let me know what you think. If you would like to see anything else added, I will probably post a link to the GitHub repository if anybody wants to look at the code or download it and put it in their BT code manually, because like I said, some of this isn't in the store yet. So anyway, happy tooting.